How to create a successful YouTube channel in 2023. Hey everyone. Welcome back. Today I'll guide you through starting a killer YouTube channel in 2023. If you've dreamed of sharing your passions and connecting with the community, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss valuable tips. First, find your niche and passion. What lights you up? What can you talk about for hours? Choose a topic you genuinely love, that meets your audience's needs. Next, craft your channel identity, name, profile, cover art. Make them reflect your content and personality consistently across platforms. This helps viewers recognize your brand. Content is king, so create quality videos that engage your audience. Tutorials, reviews, blogs, etc. Deliver value, ask for feedback and comments. For filming and editing, you don't need fancy equipment starting out. Focus on good lighting and audio. Edit engagingly but don't overdo effects. Many user-friendly tools help polish videos. Building community is crucial. Respond to comments, collaborate with other creators. Engage and create belonging. And if you find these tips helpful, subscribe to join our community. Remember, building an audience takes patience and commitment. Follow these steps, keep improving your skills, and most importantly, have fun. If you're ready to start your YouTube journey, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe, and share your progress in the comments. Until next time, keep creating, growing, and spreading positivity.